Right now we're changing all the hardware on our cabinets from silver to black, as you can see. So today we're going to be changing the doorknob on our pantry. Here we're removing the strike plate. Then it's time to remove the old doorknob. It's easier to use a drill with a long bit on it. Makes this much easier. And the last part to come off is this latch here. Can be confusing. Lots of different pieces come in the box. What we're going to do today is we're going to remove this piece and this piece. And we're going to start by putting on the strike plate. Yeah. The next part we're going to install is the latch. It goes in like this, and we're going to have it face this way because the door's going to be closing that way. Just put that in, and that's secured with 2 screws. So we're installing the doorknob now, and as you can see, there's a centerpiece and then there's 2 spots for the screws. So we're just going to line this up like this. And that's it for this side. And then so now we're putting it on the other side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put the middle piece in, and then I'm going to line up these screws as I'm putting this together so I can see where it goes. Now I'm installing the interior knob, and we're just going to push that on. And then they give you this little tool, this Allen wrench, and we're just going to tighten it. And now that's secure in place. And that completes the installation of the doorknob. You can see it looks great. We're upgrading our entire kitchen to black hardware. You can see we also did the hinges on this door. And by the way, this door leads to our pantry, which we just renovated. And you can look for this in another YouTube video coming up, so please subscribe to our channel.